Mark Westlake, founder of GearBrain. In this video, we're going to help demonstrate for you how easy GearBrain can make buying smart devices on Amazon. Now, you all probably go to Amazon and you're probably overwhelmed with all the selection and everything, but we figure out a way to make it easier for you the next time you go. So take a look at this video and let us know what you think. Amazon is one of the largest product search engines, has a wealth of products, including smart devices, for you to choose from. But many of us have found it very difficult to navigate, and for some, a bit overwhelming. We also found that when using Amazon, it doesn't provide full transparency when looking for smart devices like smart locks, especially if you're looking for ones that are compatible with the ones with your home security system, let's say. So let me show you. Today, we're looking for smart locks that work with our home security system, which happens to be Vivint Smart Home. When we go to Amazon's site and search for smart locks, we get over 1,000 results. So we use their filtering to narrow down our search, and we select Vivint, which is listed under the controller type. When we click it, we see there's 12 smart locks listed that work with Vivint. So let's see what GearBrain's product Find Engine or IoT configurator can provide. Go to the home page and click on any of the links for GearBrain compatibility Find Engine or recommendation platform. It will take you right into the platform. In the filters on the left, you can select locks under category. This will show you all the smart locks on our platform, which happens to be 359 today, but it's growing. Next, you select under ecosystem Vivint Smart Home. This will help you see which of these 359 smart locks are compatible with Vivint. The results show 138 smart locks versus only 12 by Amazon. Now you can click on any of the products to learn more, or click on the buy button and it will take you directly to the Amazon page you can buy the smart lock. But our platform can do more than this. If you create an account, which is free, tell us what smart devices you have in your home, we will show you or help find for you any smart devices that are compatible with these products. We'll also provide you with an advanced search capability which can track over 300 different product attributes. Let me show you how it works. Again, we are looking for a smart lock that works with a security system in our house, which happens to be Vivint. When we go to the filtering, you are now going to see Vivint listed under My Gear. This is the section of our platform where you add your devices, and we store their product data like owner's manuals and warranties and setup guides for free, so you can easily access it in the future. But we also want a smart lock with a keypad this time, so we type into the advanced search keypad and it reveals all the smart locks with keypads that work with Vivint. In this case, it's 39 smart locks. Why do we have more smart locks listed than Amazon? Because we work directly with manufacturers to have all their products listed so we can provide full transparency to our users. Also, Amazon has limited filtering capabilities when it comes to product attributes. As you can see from this page, once we start finding smart locks that work with Vivint, the filtering stops. Not on GearBrain. Now, this is just one product category of many that GearBrain can help you find and buy any smart device on Amazon faster than using your search features or even a Google search. And if you want to find any smart device that works with your current smart home system, or want to store your existing product smart devices manuals so you can quickly find it when needed, just sign up for the GearBrain. There is no cost, and if you do a search on the platform and no results appear, keep in mind we'll find it for you within 24 hours. GearBrain, the smart marketplace for smart devices.